Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, this ocean formed with the start of the Big Bang. And today, we are all stuck in the middle of this ocean. So the edge of the universe we observe today, is it truly an edge, or is it just merely appears as horizon in the ocean? If yes, then what is the edge of the universe? Or do we even have an edge of the universe? In today's video, let's find out. Big Bang. There is an old saying that every beginning has an end. So then, does our universe have an end? Maybe this saying doesn't quite fit in the case of the universe, because when we say the universe, we are essentially pointing out everything that exists. That means whatever we see and observe is within it, and there is nothing outside of it, implying the universe has no edge. I mean, think about it. Why do we even talk about the edge of the universe? Isn't it because of our common sense? If this all started with a Big Bang, then this universe must have expanded to a finite limit, right? But this thought of ours might be wrong, and somewhere someday we need to stop this idea. Let me explain. In the year 1915, when World War I was in its initial phase, Einstein presented a revolutionary theory, the general theory of relativity. This theory has a simple logic that applies to the entire universe. If mass generates gravity and gravity gives birth to motion, then there must always be some turbulence going on around heavy objects in the universe. Either expansion or contraction. But the most significant question was, what? In 1929, Edwin Hubble observed that many galaxies were moving away from each other, which clearly indicated that at some point in time, a force caused this event. For example, the Big Bang. However, even this theory has limitations. Counter theories. There are two more theories which completely negate the Big Bang. Theory 1. The universe's expansion is due to repulsive force known as dark energy. Theory 2. The cosmological principle posits that the universe is equally distributed and dense everywhere. So if dark energy is responsible for the universe's expansion, then we don't need the Big Bang theory. And if the Big Bang really happened, then why does the cosmic microwave background show that the universe is equally distributed and dense on all sides? Let's try to understand this with an example. If you're saying that a blast occurred behind you, and you are continuously moving forward due to the force generated by this blast, then why is the light from the blast the same even at the front of you? It should always stay behind, or the light density must be minimal at the front compared to the backside. On top of that, if cosmic microwave background radiation depicts the initial heat of our universe, then how did the heat distribute so quickly in this rapidly expanding universe? Why hasn't it dissipated yet? It is very plausible that not just one, but many Big Bangs occurred in the past, and that's why the heat hasn't dissipated everywhere. Now, how much of this thought is true? It's like a black hole for us. Meaning, as we theoretically understand what is inside a black hole and its mass. However, we don't practically know if the behavior of a black hole is exactly as we predict. We have never proven it yet. So, this leads us to the possibility that either many Big Bangs occurred, or the universe didn't commence with a Big Bang. This implies that our universe has no edge because, with the help of the cosmic microwave background, CMB, we know that the shape of our universe is flat, and it's constantly expanding at the speed of light, without compromising its density or distribution. This scenario is similar to holding a bundle of $100 bills and trying to create a gap between these bills. Somehow they managed to fill that gap by keeping the density and distribution constant, implying there is no end to it. No matter how far you go or how swiftly you travel, you will never reach the edge of the universe. But wait a minute, when we travel from the US to Asia, we actually do reach the other end of the Earth's curve, right? So, Is there a possibility that our universe is actually spherical and not flat? Are we making premature assumptions by thinking our universe is flat? But even if the universe is spherical, isn't it true that an edge is still not possible? If the universe is a sphere, its edges would constantly expand further, eventually making a complete 360-degree turn to connect with its initial point and hence leaving behind all the edges. In this case, the edge will be seen as a horizon. Similarly, how in deep oceans the horizon seems to be an edge, but as you approach it, it keeps expanding, making it a never-ending chase until you reach the beginning point from where you started. The beginning. Now, when you hear the word beginning, especially in the context of the universe, it becomes very intriguing. As discussing the beginning leads us to an unexplainable curiosity within us. But when we talk about the beginning of the universe, one question puzzles all scientists. That what was there before the Big Bang? In 1998, a groundbreaking discovery revealed that the universe is expanding and accelerating. This suggests the presence of an energy known as dark energy, working in opposition to gravity. This discovery has raised many questions, such as, why should the universe have started with the Big Bang and not the Big Bounce? It's a valid question, isn't it? The Big Bounce theory suggests that the universe beginning rebounded from a previous contraction. Imagine a cosmic dance of expansion and collapse, a universe breathing in and out over eons. Intrigued by the rhythm of the cosmos, discover how this cosmic choreograph could redefine our understanding of time and space. The Big Bounce theory paints the universe as forever cycling through expansion and contraction, like a never-ending heartbeat. It's a twist to the Big Bang, suggesting that the universe doesn't just start and end, but keeps renewing itself. Think of it as the universe taking deep breaths, growing and shrinking in a rhythm that lasts forever. Isn't it mind-blowing to imagine the universe like this? What do you think? Please share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.